Hey guys, it's Babs from PicMonkey. Today we're going to teach you how to create an outline around your image, sort of like this. It's actually really easy to do. It only takes a few clicks, so follow along and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.
The first thing you want to do is head to your Layers tab and click the lock icon. That will convert your image to a layer. This is an important step because you'll have your image palette pop up. That's where you'll find the Remove Background button that allows you to create designs like this. So let's get started on how to add an outline. I like to change the color of my background before I start designing. Now that I've changed the color of my background, I'm going to click on the layer of which I removed the background and I'm going to crop it. Once I've cropped it nice and tight, I'm going to go to Effects on the Image palette. There you'll see Drop Shadow, Inner Shadow, and Outline. Once you click on Outline, you'll notice it automatically applies. You'll have the option to change the color, and you can make adjustments to the thickness, intensity, angle, distance, scale, and fade. I'm going to bring my intensity all the way up and bring my distance out a bit. You can make the scale larger and angle it however you'd like. Once you've added the cool sketch outline to your image, continue designing. Now, if you want to outline the subject of an image like this, here's what you need to do. First, start by duplicating the layer. Now you have two of the same pictures. Remove background, and now only the top layer has the background removed. Head back to Effects and add an outline and repeat the same exact steps. Now I'm going to continue designing to get the look I'm going for. Here's a fun tip. This cool effect doesn't only work on images. You can apply an outline to any layer in PicMonkey, like text for example. I'm also going to add a little call to action here and do the same thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can't wait to see your creations.